Like most people, I never understood why someone would buy a window vac until I started using one. I now believe they are a must for every household, and in this video I'm going to show you why. This is not a sponsored video and there's no bias in my comments. I genuinely believe they can make people's life easier, hence making this video. Firstly, a window vac is essentially a vacuum cleaner for liquids. It's primarily designed for cleaning windows, although I actually got this to suck up condensation from windows in the bedrooms after a cold night and the kitchen after cooking. And it does this job absolutely brilliantly. It takes a minute or two in each room and it's way easier and cleaner than using a cloth. But I've since started cleaning glass and windows with this too. Here's a time test against 3 of the most popular methods of cleaning windows: window cleaner and cloth, window cleaner and newspaper, which is my favourite, soap, sponge and a squeegee, which I also use for external windows. Each method cleaned relatively the same, except the window cleaner and cloth left streaks. Window cleaner and newspaper was the most strenuous. The soap and squeegee spilled all the water on the floor. The fastest and easiest method was indeed with the window vac. Here's a video of me cleaning the bathroom mirror. It's unbelievably quick. This device is also awesome on tiles and showers. And it can even mop up small spills really easily. The device I'm using is a Karcher W2, runs for 35 minutes and costs 50 quid. You can pick unbranded ones for much less. For example, Wilco do one for 20 quid, Screwfix do theirs for 25 quid, and I'm sure they're all going to work in a similar way. So get one for your home, make your life easier, and thank me later in the comment section of this video, and give this video a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.